Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I would like to talk about taking care of ourselves while we are in the sewing room and at our machines. Now, we can sit for a long time at our sewing machines, or at least I know I can. I get in my zone, I start quilting or sewing, and before I know it, a long time has passed, and I haven't really moved. It's so important that we sit properly. And this is where sometimes I sort of, forget, or I get in the zone and I forget to think about myself. We need to sit so that we are in the middle of the machine. So our nose is really in the middle, right where that needle is. One side or the other, what happens is we start bending. And then we are not putting our back or our shoulders in the right place. The other thing, and this is what I do a lot of, is this. As I'm quilting or I'm stitching little by little, I'm doing this or this. And often I will find my chair starts scooting and now I'm really in a bad spot. So I listen to audiobooks as I am quilting. And when I need to get to the next chapter, that's where I stop, or at least I try to stop, and I look around the room to give my eyes a break. I make sure that my shoulders are back in the position that they should be, and that I'm back in the needle and my chair's in the right spot. All of this, I don't know how it happens, but it just does. Another thing I like to do is give myself a back massage. And that is where this t-shirt on my chair comes in. Now, a back massage, I can't massage my back myself, so I do have a back massager. And it's in this t-shirt. So I want to show you this little setup that I have, just in case you do have something that you like to use, but you find that there are some difficulties with it. You might want a t-shirt and a string. Let me show you how I work this, and it just might be something that you will find useful. The back massager that I use is a Bob and Brad design. Now, I have no medical experience at all, but I find this one works nice for me. It is this unique shape so that I can use it this way or this way. And I can get this to go around my neck, my lower back, and I can use this in many different ways. I like to use it right on the back of my chair. Now, to turn it on, it is really easy. I just have one button. I push and hold that button, and it starts. Those are those great knuckles rolling along my back. So there's 4 settings. I have the knuckles running in one direction with a first push, and it has some heat. I push it a second time, and it starts going in the opposite direction, but it still has a little bit of heat. I could push it a third time and a fourth time, and it changes the position of those knuckles going around, and it doesn't have heat. So 2 have heat, 2 do not. Now, I really like this, and it kind of gives me an excuse to stop. So I like to keep it on the back of my chair. So it looks perfect like that. I can sit and enjoy it. But there's a problem. I can't get it to where I want it to go. So I have a piece of ribbon that I like using. And this is where I think this might be something you would enjoy doing. So I take this piece of ribbon and I can tie it on, and it goes in between those knuckles. Now you're going to laugh when you see this, but it really does work for me. I loosely tie that. Now, when this is on the back of my chair, I can take this and direct it. So I take my little handles, I get myself comfortable in my chair, and now I can direct that. See how I've been able to move it? And I can move it any way I want to. So I can start at the top of my neck and then work it down gradually until I get to the back. And I can also turn it around so it's going in the other direction. So this is sort of my steering wheel. So it's just an easy way of me directing this little back oops. And to prevent that, that's where my t-shirt comes in. So I take this back massager, I put it on the back of my chair, I put the t-shirt on. I take the cord, I bring it out of the neck. Kind of a silly thing, but it really does work for me. So now it's not going to fall off of my chair. I could take that cord and put it to one sleeve or another sleeve, depending on where my electricity is running. And when I'm done, I could just take it and put it right back inside. Or if you have a pocket, you could put it in your pocket. Now when I sit down, I could quilt and sew for as long as I want, and I'm not worried about this flopping or falling down, but it's there when I need it. So I can just take my break, turn it to whatever setting I want, just with a push of my finger, take my steering wheel and adjust it right where I want it. I'll put a link in the description to this back massager that I am using. It's a Bob and Brad massager. They have great videos. They have great information. They have more than one different style of back massagers, head massagers, all sorts of things. This is the one I like for my back. I could put it on my legs. I could put it on my arm. I can bring it upstairs in the recliner. But it seems to really never leave this t-shirt, and it's exactly where I need it when I want it. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to take care of yourself so, well, you can sew longer. Bye for now.